So now while loop, so if you are any based on some condition you want to execute a particular set of data bits, you go for while loop. Okay. Construction of while loop. See here, while condition statements and end. This is how while loop is running. So if you can have an infinite loop till the condition is satisfied. So till r is greater than 1, this loop will be running infinitely. Unless you break it, it will not. Unless you break it, it will be running. So you have to break the loop on your own. So how can you break out of an infinite loop? So by pressing Control C. So remember in MATLAB, by pressing Control C, if by chance you have written an infinite loop in MATLAB, by pressing Control C, you can come out of the infinite loop. You can come out of the infinite loop. So see here, modify the script that the following code runs until x is less than or equal to 0.1. So while x is less than or equal to 0.1, this code will be running in. Until x is less than or equal to 0.1, the code will run disp of x is equal to create var. Greater than 0.2. Sorry. Getting the values. Same way, you are dividing the number by half until it is added and it is added to 1. So that the thing is you are learning the while loop for that. You are dividing the number by 2 and you are adding it to the sum. So you are dividing and adding. You are calculating epsilon for a particular condition. So that is what is asked to do here.